Terrorizing the spider.
He makes it sound like he's...
I think the spider's history. He's just knocking around the... Why doesn't he just eat it? Weirdo? Weirdo. Yuck.
Why doesn't he just eat it?
I don't know, but I'm going to end up stepping on all the guts. Just eat it, dog. Come on, clean up after yourself. Yuck. No, don't bring it to my feet. No, he left it over there. What are you doing? You spider killer? Huh?
Spider killer.
Spider killer. He's looking for another one. It's no fun when it's dead, huh? Hmm? Piglet, smile for the camera. Piglet, look here. That's my good boy. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Good boy. Oh, it's no fun. No fun. See all those things you knocked over earlier tonight? Trying to be a master spider killer. Silly dog. Silly dog.